This is the DTM1 sports smartwatch, and it's always on analog display. Really nice AMOLED screen, high resolution, metal case with a very interesting bezel on this one. Activate it, and it'll pop into, wow, the current watch face, and there are some doozies on here. All of these are stock watch faces, animated, digital, analog, you name it. This is actually one of the cards that shows you your step count, and it's built into a watch face. When you swipe down, you get this translucent overlay that you've got control of the flashlight, super bright, dark. I mean, it'll wash out the camera. It's so bright. You've got your cards for exchanging information, power, savings mode, do not disturb, your brightness, of which there's, look how low we are. And you can go way down there too for nighttime, or super bright for outdoors on bright sunshine, and it works perfectly for that. Come back out of here, you got settings that you can run through, and a whole lot more. And there's the watch face, and there's exactly the same information. So it's updated. This is your activity, step count, calories burned. Here's your activity chart for the day, your calories, and your steps by the hour. Really, really nice. You've got heart rate in here, continuous, and you've got the zones that you're in listed as well. Last night's sleep time, sure, with the chart, with the breakdown, and your last 7 days records are here as well. It'll do blood pressure readings and give you the synopsis of your most recent one. Same thing with blood oxygen. And this, of course, is using the red diode technology for more accuracy. And it'll show you the summary of the last readings as well. The next chart shows you the weather in your area, which is under my finger here. Plus, you have the forecast information for the next several days. Then you got a music player that ties to your phone, and Bluetooth calling on this one, Bluetooth music streaming right through the speaker. It's great. And a remote shutter that you can take pictures with your phone if you want to. From here, swiping up, you get any messages. Overlay will show right here on the screen. Swiping this way or playing with the buttons gets you into all of your apps, and here they are. You've seen most of them already. Exercise records are there, blood pressure, blood oxygen. The player, you got a relaxation, 2 different programs you can play for your breathing. Of course, your AI voices in here, timers, stopwatches, ladies cycle tracking, calendars, even a little game in here called Plane where you can move the guy around and shoot at things coming towards you. It's all built into it. We got to get out of here. Exit this and back here, and of course your settings, which we really haven't looked at a lot, but you got control of your display, which is actually where you can go in and change your screen lock, turn it off if you want, or even have a digital display. You've got control of your sound and vibration, do not disturb your phone, setting that whole thing up, and an overall about for hooking this thing up. And when you turn it off now, you'll see that your always on display is turned to a digital one. It's a really nice, very clean AMOLED screen watch at a very nice price as well. Bluetooth calling, music streaming, and excellent case design. Check it out. It's the DTM1.